Okay, good morning, my dear student. Solid state. Easy way to calculate the density of the unit cell. Density of the unit cell. General formula to calculate density, we all know, that is mass by volume. Mass by volume. So, this is a general formula used to calculate density, but in solid state there is some extra word we have to add in this formula. That means density of the unit cell, not simply density, density of the unit cell, rho equal to mass of the unit cell, mass of the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell, divided by volume of the unit cell, volume of the unit cell. First, we have to calculate the numerator value. What is the formula used to calculate mass of the unit cell, and how to calculate volume of the unit cell. The volume of the unit cell can be directly determined from the edge length. From the edge length. We know our unit cell is a simple cubic unit cell. In number of videos, we have discussed how to draw the unit cell and how to calculate the edge length. Remember, this is simple cubic. First, you have to know which one front square and which one a back square. For that purpose, I am coloring only 3 faces. Only 3 faces. It is used to simply know about the front square and back square. Front square and back square. Now, I coloring the back square, that is nothing but back face, and the yellow color indicate that it is a left one. Now, the right square I am coloring. The center point of the 3 axes lying here. This is a center point. X axis, Y axis and Z axis pointing towards us. This is Z axis. What is edge length? In cubic unit cell, we know all the edge length, the distance between 2 points are all equal. The distance between 2 points are all equal. Starting from this up to this, taken as A, all the length are equal. Therefore, if the 3 points are taken as A, our denominator is a constant value for simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Volume of the unit cell, volume of the unit cell can be calculated from the edge length. A and A and A. A and A and A equal to A cube. A and A and A equal to A cube. It is the volume of the unit cell. Denominator is over. Now come to the numerator. How to find out mass of the unit cell? We have some more sub formula. Mass of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell. That is equal to, how to calculate mass of the unit cell? It is divided into 2. One is total number of number of atoms, total number of atoms belongs to that unit cell. This is simple. You know what is the answer for this one? End. What is total number of atom belongs to that unit cell? If your unit cell is simple cubic, total number of atom equal to 1. If your unit cell is base centered cubic, total number of atom equal to 2. If the given unit cell is face centered cubic, total number of atoms are equal to 4. So, total number of atom can be calculated from the whether it is simple cubic or body centered cubic or face centered cubic. End mass of one atom. This is a new word for you. Mass of one atom. This is mass of one atom. Now we know this value, but how to calculate mass of one atom? There is one more formula to calculate mass of one atom. Shall I write? Mass of one atom, that is equal to molar mass. You know what is meant by molar mass? Molecular mass is given in gram mole power minus 1, or atomic mass is given in gram mole power minus 1 is called molar mass by Avogadro number. That is mole power minus 1. Avogadro number, that is mole power minus 1. Mass of one atom, symbol small m. Molar mass given in capital M. If atom is given, that atomic mass is gram mole power minus 1. If atomic mass is indicated in gram mole power minus 1, it is called molar mass. If a molecule is given, the molecular mass is expressed in gram mole power minus 1. That's all. Avogadro number we know 6.023 into 10 power 23, but in the calculation we can take that as 6 into 10 power 23. No, there is no problem. So, by Avogadro number, symbol Na. Now, mass of one atom equal to m by Na. Total number of atom is given in small n. The numerator value, mass of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell is nothing but small n. This is total number of atom belongs to that unit cell. End mass of one atom capital M divided by Avogadro number Na. When you substitute this value in the density formula, we can write the final formula to calculate density. Density of the unit cell. Rho equal to n end capital M molar mass divided by volume of the unit cell A cube end Avogadro number Na. A cube is the volume of the unit cell. Remember, in unit cell all the edge lengths are equal. Na Avogadro number, m equal to molar mass, n equal to total number of atom belonging to that unit cell. Total number of atom for SC simple cubic is 1, body centered cubic is 2 and face centered cubic is 4. Using this formula in the incoming video, we are going to calculate the density of the unit cell in a easy way. I will explain how easily we can calculate the density of the unit cell. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.